This week's tech tip of the week is managing your passwords in Chrome. So many of us keep our username and password stored in Chrome, but then either we A, want to get rid of it, or B, we forgot what it was and we want to use it somewhere else. So I'm going to show you how you go about doing both of those things. Go up to your three dots for your Chrome settings and click on Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, click Advanced, and scroll down until you see Manage Passwords. Now, this button right here will allow you to go ahead and remove the password, and Details will allow you to see what your username and password is. In order to view this password, you're going to click this box and it's going to prompt you for your Google password. Once you type your Google password in and hit OK, it will then reveal what your password was. Again, if it's something that you no longer want stored, all you do is hit remove, and you can see now that stored website with username and password is gone. So again, it's a nice way to see what your passwords are and reveal them by clicking the eyeball, or to just go ahead and get rid of them if it's something you no longer use.